The classes just ended. I don't want to study anymore. I'm very tired. My eyes are swollen from staring at the monitor screen for almost 18 hours a day. Now, I decided to just lay on my bed and do not study or review my notes, and do not comply with the assigned task for me, and just depend on my classmates. This becomes my routine. A custom broker might lose her license due to number of accusations regarding the violations of CAO 05 2019, particularly the provisions 5.9 to 5.17. We have sent a team to further gather details of this incident. Reporting live, Faye Chavez. In this investigation, witnesses are willing to give statements regarding the situation, which involves a customs broker, which is also known as a former celebrity in PBB Office Edition featuring customs broker. She is known in her name as Marites.
In interference of examination of records, Miss Marites always refused to access her records. She seems to conceal some of her transactions or remove some of it. She also interferes with the proper and lawful order to procure or reproduce relevant information contained in her records. In diligence in correspondence and paying monies, she do not exercise due diligence in handling financial settlements, answering correspondence, and preparing and filing of documents relating to her work as a customs broker.
Ms. Marites with her representative assist in filing of a document that has false information. They also give misleading information in a matter that is pending in the Bureau. They also exert undue influence upon government officials and employees by bestowing a gift and sometimes favor or other things of value.
As this situation escalates in the social media with this controversy, an official of the Bureau has finally spoken regarding this matter. Good day. As one of the officials in the Bureau, I would like to speak regarding this matter. So it is stated in the 5.13 or misuse of registration privilege that the customs broker shall not permit his name to be used directly or indirectly by or for any non-registered customs broker or other persons other than his own representative. And yet, Ms. Marites, she permitted it. It's on the records. We have evidences. She offers her certificate of registration and signature to other individual and company that engages in clearance process without having any participation in the actual computation and declaration of duties and taxes and other related services on behalf of the importer or exporter. So, this is a ground for her suspension or cancellation or revocation of her registration. In other cases, such as renewal, her wrongdoings may be a ground for disapproval of application and or blacklisting of the customs broker concerned. A former customs broker, now the head of the investigation unit who's handling the case, has also spoken up regarding this matter. As the head of the investigation unit, based on her records and the evidences that we have, she has done a numerous number of violations. First, she accepted employment to effect customs transaction as an agent of a customs broker whose registration has been cancelled and could no longer practice his profession. Second, she assists in the furtherance of a customs transactions of such persons. Lastly, she permitted such person to directly or indirectly participate in the promotion, control, or direction of her practice. But remember that nothing herein shall be deemed to prohibit any customs broker from acting as a broker if such any bona fide importer or exporter, notwithstanding if such importer or exporter is also a customs broker whose registration has been suspended or cancelled. In this line of recent events, clients has also released their statements regarding this case. I'm a new client of hers, Miss Marites. She offered a contract which purports to evade her liability, which is against the law, because it states that as a customs broker, she shall not evade her liability with respect to a just claim by the clients arising out of the wrongful act or negligence of her representative. I'm also a new client of hers. She has lapses with her responsibility as a customs broker. She forgot to notify us as her client with changes of circumstances, and she also did not give written notice of update to the Bureau. Copy furnished the collector of the port where she practiced her profession, in which it should be done within 5 working days after the said changes and must be acknowledged by the amo, but she did not. In the middle of this controversy, the Commissioner of Customs has already coordinated with the PRBCB regarding on the investigation, prosecution, revocation of the license of the violating customs broker.
Today, I woke up because of a bad dream about my future. Now, I realize that I have to change my ways as early as now. I decided to study more, learn more, to be knowledgeable enough, and to prevent my future mistakes as a customs broker.